how to update the Facebook app on your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually update the Facebook application on your iPhone. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you want to update Facebook, now there could be a couple of reasons why you want to update, because maybe you're missing out on some features, or maybe you're having some type of issues and bugs with the version of Facebook that you're actually using, and now that you want to update it in order to just fix these type of bugs. So in order to do this, all you have to do is just go ahead and then open up your app store, and then it's very simple. In the search box you just want to go ahead and then type in Facebook. Once you type in Facebook and then search for it, you'll see the Facebook application pop up on the list. Now if by any chance it says update, then it means that your Facebook app badly needs an update, and I would just recommend you to just tap on that update button. It's going to take a while to update it depending upon the strength of your network connection, and after a while your Facebook app will be successfully updated. But if it stays open, then it means that your Facebook app is already updated to the latest version, and there's really nothing that you should be worried about. So hope this video helped you answer your question and then as to how you can update the Facebook app to the latest version. Hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.